Hey, welcome back to Gargoyle's Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we're going to do a special video on Redlines, my 20 favorite Redlines, and a sample of what I've got on eBay right now as far as Redlines goes. A little tooting my own horn, so to speak. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, recently I put some cars up on eBay. I used to sell them on eBay a long time ago, and because of all the extra fees that they were doing and the $600 threshold they'd come up with for taxes and stuff, I just stopped selling them on there altogether. I just started selling them out of my little antique booth. Well, honestly, it hasn't been going that well over there. I just don't have enough traffic over there to really get them sold like I wanted to. So I started putting them on eBay again just to kind of see how I'd do. And in the first week, I've sold 6 of them. So at $50 a piece, I can't argue with that, you know. So I'll give you an idea of what I've got going over there and kind of work that I'm doing on them. There's a 55 Alive. It's been restored. All of these have been restored, actually. There we go. For this one's a special one because I did the Spectre Flame Red instead of the enamel red paint on it. So yeah, this one's kind of an upgraded one. Here's a Cougar. It's all restored, opening hood and everything. Light my Firebird. Is that on Firebird or is that? This is custom Firebird. Sorry, not Light my Firebird. Custom Firebird. You guys have seen the videos for these. I mean, these are all ones that I did on videos. That was the whole reason I started doing the videos, was to be a selling point for people that were buying these. They could actually see their cars being created. So that's why I started my channel. And last but not least, I had to throw in at least one super van to sell on there. So get these out of the way and we'll go over my remaining 20 favorite cars, seeing as how I sold a lot of these that I've already restored. These are customs and stuff that I've done. I'm gonna put these away and we'll get to it. Okay, I'm back. And as you'll see with some of these I've done restorations on, but most of these have been modded in one way or another. So let's go ahead and pull out the restorations first. Obviously the Maxi Taxi. This one. This one. Rolls Royce. This one. This one. Other than the wheels, of course. And this one. So these are all restorations that I've done. And chances are, sooner or later, they'll end up over there on eBay too. As of right now, though, I've held on to them because I gotta keep some around, you know, until I make more. Once I make more, then I let go of them a little bit. So there's your first 6. Now all these, I don't know where I come up with ideas sometimes. This one, for instance, is actually going in the 500 subscriber giveaway box. This one was done for the Porsche giveaway with Maple Leaf Customs this year. And he was gracious enough to let me hold on to it until I give the box away at 500 subscribers. And we're at 465 right now. So another 35 and we'll be giving the subscriber box away. This will be in along with a couple other customs. It's actually one of my favorite ones. I wish I find more of these cars so I could do a couple more of them. Because, yeah, I love the way it came out. Here's another one of those red Spectre Flames. I really like those. This one has gold accents. It had a gold base on it. This one was a Redline, but as you can see, I've put some hot rod wheels on it because I put in the double blower motor. I thought they looked like fireman hose nozzles, so I thought it was well fitting for it. And of course, hand painted the flames. Another Maxi Taxi. This one is in yellow Spectre Flame. It's not something you normally see, and yellow Spectre Flame does not come out very well. It took a lot of coats, very light coats, to build this up to where it came out. Some people probably gasped when they saw this one, but it's one of those fake it till you make it type things. I made this out of one of these. Obviously, I ground that down, smoothed it over, and there you go. You have an old 442. But it isn't $2,000 for one. Many of you guys probably saw this video, the video where I made a mistake, so to speak, because I went with the Spectre Flame Olive Green instead of the enamel or whatever. But yeah, I love the way this one came out, and this will stay in my van collection. There's another recent one that some of you guys probably saw. This is the 32 Ford Vicky that I had to take the fenders off of because one of the fenders was half busted. I didn't realize it when I bought it off eBay, so I made a custom out of it. The Bootlegger. This was the very first full custom that I did. I called this one the Which Way. It was, T for 2. The T for 2 build. This was my version of it made out of 2 MIG rigs. That was a year ago now that I did that. That was one of the first ones I did. I know some of you guys have seen these. Everybody seems to like them too, so I'm probably going to do some more of them. These came from Second Chance Redlines as far as the liveries. Poison Apple. And I'm a big fan of the Poison Pinot, so I did these as customs for it. I still got to do the Poison Pinot with the rock on it. I haven't done that one yet either. But yeah, these are two of my favorites that will never go anywhere until I make new ones or something. Cyberpunk 2077 for the Four Horsemen this last year. This was the car I did for it. Got the samurai logo on the back of it and everything. Came out beautiful. I love it. I almost gave that one away instead of the other one for Porsche giveaway, and I'm like, no, I couldn't do it. Everybody knows I like my Volkswagens. Got a Volkswagen Chrome Herbie. And this is one of those color shifting ones. Depends on the sunlight that you get it in. It goes from purple to green or whatever. Both those are good. And probably my two favorite out of all of them would be the Stagecoach with the Gatling gun motor on it. And I don't know why this one's such a big favorite of mine, but it's classy, it's elegant. And of course it has red lines on it. I think it's beautiful. And once again, Spectre Flame red paint. So that is my favorite top 20 red lines in my collection. Now, as you can see, I still got a lot of red lines over here. And I've got a couple cases of them that still need to be restored. So I'm not getting rid of all my red lines. I got rid of quite a few of them. But yeah, I'm going to be making more. So now the challenge is up to you guys. I did the challenge. If you guys have some Redlines or any cars that are your favorite cars out of your collection, make a video, show us. Be part of the group. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.